Hi, I'm Ian. I am a graduate of Perpetual Bachelor of Science in Aeronautical Engineering. Since unique siya sa field ng engineering. Tapos, nung high school naman, interest ko talaga yung engineering since math-centered na yung field. Then, combining din sa other dream ko nung high school, which is maging pilot. Very nice naman na meron dito sa Perpetual ng Aeronautical. To the next generation, alam ko na mahirap yung engineering. So, galingan nyo lang, sipagan. Kailangan nyo lang ding tsagain yung hardships ngayon para in the future hindi na kayo masyadong mahirap. Especially sa board exam. Mahalaga yung strong foundation ng mga basic engineering subjects. And of course, habang nag-aaral kayo, i-build nyo rin yung character nyo since yun naman yung pinaka-importante rin pag nasa field na kayo mismo. Hindi naman sobrang nagmamatter yung achievements eh. Mas nagmamatter yung character since makikihalubilo ka sa iba-ibang klase ng tao. So, uphold yung virtue ng school na character building is nation building.